Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix if mobile data is slow on Motorola phone. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings menu. So just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. Insert SIM, remove SIM tray and clean. After cleaning again, insert SIM. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart by just click on outside power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restarted. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.